Good morning students. We are going to see what is a project appraisal. मतलब क्या है? Okay. Now the question may come as explain the meaning of project appraisal. Explain in needs from the banker's point of view. नाउ जब प्रॉपर इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लानिंग किया जाता है या इम्प्लीमेंटेशन ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट इज़ डन, इट इज़ ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है इट इज़ लिंक्ड विद द मैक्रो डेवलपमेंट गोल्स ऑफ द कंट्री. ओके. नाउ अगर उसको एफिशिएंट मैनेजमेंट करना है, अगर उसको रिसोर्सेज चाहिए, देन दैट प्रोजेक्ट शुड बी अप्रेज्ड बाय द बैंक. ओके. So here efficient management of investment resources and continuous evaluation of investment outcomes are the two most crucial activities necessary for ensuring the optimum use of scarce resources and determining the emerging character of development for the direction and effectiveness. Okay. So why there is a need of project appraisal? Project appraisal क्यों करना चाहिए? Now there is a need of project appraisal arises for the following reason. Okay, that is proper utilization of फंड जो है उसको प्रॉपरली यूटिलाइज करना. ओके. ना प्रोजेक्ट अप्रेजल में क्या करते हैं, देर आर स्टेप्स. ओके. एज प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स फ्रॉम द बैंकर्स एंड इट मेक्स पॉसिबल प्रॉपर यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ फंड्स विच आर अवेलेबल टू द बैंक फॉर लैंडिंग पर्पज. ओके. बैंक के पास पैसे रहते हैं तो वो ऐसे वैसे नहीं लैंड करेंगे, दे विल यूज इट फॉर अ प्रॉपर पर्पज. ओके. सो प्रोजेक्ट अप्रेजल स्टेप्स क्या करते हैं, इट एक्ट्स एज अ प्रिवेंटिव मेजर्स फ्रॉम द बैंक एंड इट मेक्स पॉसिबल प्रॉपर यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ फंड विच आर अवेलेबल टू द बैंक फॉर लैंडिंग पर्पजेस. सेकेंड इज प्रॉपर एनालिसिस ऑफ प्रपोजल्स. नाउ यहाँ पे क्या होता है, केयरफुल एनालिसिस किया जाता है ऑफ द प्रपोजल, मेक पॉसिबल फॉर द बैंकर्स टू रिफ्यूज सम प्रपोजल विच आर अनप्रोडक्टिव एंड नॉट वर्थ ऑफ फॉर कंसिडरेशन. ओके. अगर जो भी प्रोजेक्ट है इफ़ दे आर मतलब अगर दे आर अनप्रोडक्टिव, मतलब इट विल नॉट क्रिएट एनी प्रोडक्शन और दे आर नॉट कंसिडर्ड एज वर्थ. ओके. वर्थ प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं है, देन दे विल रिफ्यूज द project. Next is diversion of fund to profitable project. Okay. So it becomes possible to make diversion of fund to make productive and profitable project. Okay. So such diversion कहाँ पे होता है, funds also makes possible to support recovery of loans and replacement of fund. So or recycling of fund for more effective. So ये जो fund है it can be used for the various productive purposes. Then the fourth need is precautionary measures. Now यहाँ पे जो project है appraisal arises as a precautionary measures for the bankers. Okay. Banks thereby can make rescheduling of loans and make the most beneficial investment as the trustee. Okay. Thereby the banker can indirectly safeguard the interest of depositors also. So the need arise for many reasons. Okay. So these are the reasons why project appraisal is needed. Okay. First thing is there will be proper utilization of fund. Second is proper analysis of proposals, diversion of funds to profitable project, precautionary measures. Now what are the steps that are taken? Okay. Now when the project appraisal is done, that time there is proper utilization of fund, proper analysis of the proposal, diversification of fund to the profitable project, precautionary measures. So for successful implementation of the development plans and programs has come to and depend come to depend heavily on investment decision. Effective use जो है resources, the need for effective use of the resources is strongly required. Okay. As instrument of aid policy in public and private sector of the economy. These tend to be welcomed because it is important that the country's resources should be used in the most effective way possible. It is the economy to be strong and our standard of living to be improved. So what are the steps of project appraisal? There are various steps in project appraisal. First one is what? Study the aims and objective. फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या करेंगे प्रोजेक्ट अप्रोजल का? दे विल स्टडी द एम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट टू बी अंडरटेकन. Short term as well as long term objectives are to be studied. Further, it also studies whether the objective of the organization are in the interest of the society. Okay, first क्या करेंगे? They will see whether the objectives are long term or short term. Okay, they will compare it. सेकेंड थिंग, ये जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है दे आर इन फेवर ऑफ द सोसाइटी. ओके, सोसाइटी को ये कुछ नुकसान नहीं पहुंचेगा, ये वो लोग दे विल फाइंड आउट द रीज़न वाई दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज़ टेकन. इज़ इट वेरी यूजफुल फॉर द सोसाइटी? वेदर द प्रोजेक्ट इज़ अंडरटेकन विद द पर्पज ऑफ कंट्रीब्यूटिंग वेलफेयर ऑफ द सोसाइटी. प्रोजेक्ट एनालिसिस इज द इनिशियल स्टेज, कवर्स इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कंसिडरेशन. ओके, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट स्टेप पे क्या करेंगे? they will do the analysis of the project. Then study of competition. Second is they will see the nature of competition and extent of competition to the proposed project. Okay, number of units already exist in the market engaged in the same production or distribution line. Okay, ये भी चेक करेंगे कि इसका competition कितना है और कौन कौन इनके competitors है, कितने टाइम तक इसका competition चलाएगा, and what are the different business in the same line, इसी लाइन में कितने सारे business है. They will check out that. Okay, next is entrepreneurs knowledge and capacity. नेक्स्ट क्या करेंगे कि द एजुकेशनल एंड टेक्निकल नॉलेज बैकग्राउंड, हीज एक्सपीरियंस एंड ओन कैपेसिटी टू इन्वेस्ट फंड इन बिजनेस आर इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट इन प्रोजेक्ट अप्रेजल. ओके, person willing to undertake the project must have full technical knowledge as well as knowledge of market conditions. Okay, नेक्स्ट इज स्टडी द एबिलिटी टू रीपे. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? प्रोजेक्ट अप्रेजल में क्या करेंगे? दे विल इंक्लूड द स्टडी ऑफ द एबिलिटी ऑफ द प्रोप्राइटर टू पे द अमाउंट ऑफ प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट ऑफ द लोन एज वेल एज द पेमेंट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट regularly. Okay, the ability of the proprietor to offer security, the type of security is prepared to offer to be taken into consideration. Okay, कि यहाँ पे ये लोग चेक करेंगे कि जो बोरोवर है या जो प्रोप्राइटर है जो वो प्रपोजल लेके गया है, ओके, सो वेदर ही इज़ इन अ कंडीशन टू पे ऑफ द लोन और नॉट. ओके, कौन सी टाइप की सिक्योरिटी ही इज़ गिविंग एज अ फॉर द लोन, ओके, फॉर हिज डेट. ओके, डेट विल बी checked. Okay, the study will be done. Then study of the accuracy of statement. Now project appraisal में क्या करेंगे? They makes possible to judge the accuracy of the estimates regarding capital investment proposed to be made. If estimated capital is more or less, project analysis gives guidance to the proposal of the project. In many banks, final amount required for the project is calculated on the basis of mutual consultation. Okay, then the bank authorities decide the amount of loan assistance. Then next is comparative study. So another important step in project appraisal is what? Is to make comparative study of two similar projects undertaken by different parties. Okay, bank authorities take personal interview of the proposer of the project, makes the inquiry for a different notices in calculation, and then arrive at some conclusion. So project appraisal क्या है? Itself is the important step for the banker, financial institution in the point of view because it makes possible following things. Okay. then what they will do the comparative study. Okay, comparative में study क्या करेंगे? They will take two similar project undertaken by different parties. Okay, and bank and authorities क्या करेंगे, they will take a personal interview of the proposer of the project, then make the inquiry for the differences noticed in the calculation and arrive at a some conclusion. Okay, they will conclude. Then after they do the comparative study, they will come to an decision. Okay, एक स्टेप आएगा जहाँ पे उनको डिसीजन लेना पड़ेगा. ओके, दैट डिसीजंस कैन बी रिजेक्शन ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, here the rejection of the project proposal is based on the wrong calculation and estimate. Okay, that is the first thing. Second is to advise the proposal. Okay, to advise the proposal is what, to make necessary changes in the plan and to make it more meaningful and rational. Okay, next is advise wasteful investment. Okay, to advise wasteful investment and unproductive investment going through the wrong channel and above mentioned step for correct appraisals are taken, lending institutions can safeguard their own interest. Okay, so these are the steps which are taken for the project appraisal. Okay, project appraisal के ये steps है. So we'll see the next point, that is what do you mean by प्रोजेक्ट अप्रोजल के जो स्टेप्स है. ओके, उसमें जस्ट गिव मी माई मिनट, लेट मी चेक द पेज and I'll tell you which is the page number. ना यहाँ पे जो ये प्रोजेक्ट अप्रेजल जो है, एज आई टोल्ड यू, इट इज़ अ मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक अप्रेजल. ओके, सो हियर व्हेन इट इज़ अ मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक अप्रेजल, दे विल इंक्लूड वेरियस फैक्टर्स. कौन से फैक्टर्स है, डेट इज़ टेक्निकल सुपियोरिटी. ओके, सो यहाँ पे टू सर्वाइव इन द कम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड market. Okay, technical superiority of the product is important test. Okay, for developing countries it is very rarely possible to adopt processes which are technically superior to those used in advanced countries. Okay, next is cost effective. Now the circumstances circumscribe quality competition. Developing countries can make headway through the prices competitions by using cost effective process of production. This is possible where production involves labor intensive techniques and traditional skills acquired by workers and craftsmen. Next is international economic development. Now the policies and program as well as conditionalities imposed by the international economic, financial and trade organizations are also relevant. The WTO policies are examples of this type. Next is national policies. It can be hardly to forgotten that the proposed or existing unit has functioned within the framework of the national macroeconomic policies. The monetary and the fiscal policy, the RBI and SEBI controls the export-import policies and the policies regarding subsidies and the factory and labor laws and the host other countries' regulations and respect of normal ranging from use of powers to pollution have been bearing the function of the unit applying for assistance. Okay, so these are macroeconomic. So first thing we'll see what they will check the technical aspects of the project proposal. Then they will see the managerial aspects. Okay, क्या क्या managerial aspects है. Then they will see ऑपरेशनल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, एस्पेक्ट्स बहुत सारे रहते हैं, सो दे हैव टू चेक ईच एंड एवरी. देन द फाइनेंशियल, क्या फाइनेंशियल एस्पेक्ट्स है, दे विल चेक. सो हियर दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो व्हेन when a project appraisal is done, they we have to check each and every content of the project appraisal. Okay, so project appraisal okay ho gaya, only then bank can grant the loan, otherwise bank cannot grant the loan. So in the next class we will see the next point. Okay, recovery measures कौन से है. Okay, so यहाँ पे why there is a vertical, हम लोगों ने इस क्लास में क्या देखा, we have seen what is project appraisal, then we have seen need of project appraisal क्या है, proper utilization of fund, proper analysis of proposal, diversification of funds to profitable project, precautionary measures. Then we have seen various steps in project appraisal क्या है, स्टडी ऑफ एम्स एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स, स्टडी ऑफ कंपटीशन, entrepreneurs knowledge and capacity, study of ability to repay, study of accuracy of statements, comparative study, rejection of proposal, to advise the proposal and to advise the wasteful investment. Okay, so in the next class we'll see what are the recovery or measures to recover the loan amount.